Shares of Overstock.com down nearly 10% this morning after the online retailer posted third quarter earnings beat on an adjusted basis, but a 33% drop in revenue amid a, quote, challenging retail environment. Joining us now to discuss the results, the company's CEO, Jonathan Johnson. Jonathan, good morning. It is good to see you. We are obviously seeing a challenged environment, not just in retail, but more specifically in home goods as well, which is your bread and butter. So talk to us about what you're seeing right now.
Well, it's a very highly promotional time. From the second quarter to today, there's been excess inventory in the market. We and others are having special promotions. It's a tough time. The good news for Overstock is even during this tough time, we're turning a profit. This is our 10th consecutive quarter of turning a profit, which in our space is notable. And we think we're doing it because we're providing a smart value to our customers. Our customers like what they can get for the dollars they're willing to spend. We provide that value to them.
Jonathan, I was taking a look at some of the census data, especially around housing right now, and the market's slowing at this point in time, driven by a range of factors, but none more pronounced than the fact that rates are rising. It's more expensive to get a home. There's less supply that's coming online. What does that mean in terms of trickle through to Overstock?
Well, definitely home sales, when they're robust, help us. Today, what we're seeing is the categories on our site that are doing well are things that relate to home improvement. We've seen an uptick, which I noted on our call today, in bathroom vanities. We've seen an uptick in mattresses. So people realize they may not be moving, but they want to make their homes where they live today better, more comfortable. So it's a different type of purchase than we've seen in the past. And they're also very deal conscious. They're shopping a lot. They're looking for the best deal out there. And we think that's where Overstock excels. We're always providing smart value and trying to make dream homes come true for our customers.
Jonathan, there's a lot of, like you mentioned earlier, there's a lot of inventory in the retail channel right now, Walmart, Target, you name it. And a lot of those retailers are planning to get very aggressive on promotions this holiday season. How aggressive are you prepared to get?
Well, it's not just a question of planning to get aggressive. Everyone is being aggressive. You've seen an increase. We held an Overstock Days event earlier this month. There's been a second Prime Day this year. People are already shopping for Christmas. I think the Cyber 5, Black Friday through Cyber Monday, is going to be as promotional as ever. The good news for Overstock is we've got lots of products. Giftables, small appliance, things that people look for in this fourth quarter as they shop for their home. But it will be a highly promotional fourth quarter.
Jonathan, one last thing for you, and it's about the sort of branding of the company. You guys recently rolled out a new ad campaign emphasizing people's homes, and it's called Making Dream Homes Come True. And you say in the release, and this was last week, that this new campaign should dispel any lingering misconception that Overstock sells liquidated or excess merchandise. Any plans to change the name of the company, which implies, right, Overstock sort of implies that it's Overstock, it's liquidated or excess merchandise?
That's a great question. The good news for us is Overstock's name recognition is extremely high. The not so good news is what you've said, and that's trying to associate our name more with home. Changing the name is an expensive proposition. Right now, with our new national campaign, which includes, a new ad that's out entitled "Come On, Get Comfy," brand ambassadors that we've announced that are helping our social media presence. We think we can associate the Overstock name with home. After all, no one goes to Crate and Barrel to purchase crates or barrels. They purchase things for the home. We think we can do the same for Overstock.
All right, comfy stock. I don't know if it has the same ring to it, but we'll see what the measurement, the metrics look like after the campaign. Overstock CEO Jonathan Johnson, always a pleasure to speak with you.